Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Apple White from ever after high-end restaurant price without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. Okay, first of all guys, start from the hair. You can choose 3 hair and then you're going to color it with this color. But let me show you the color code. This one. You can use this one and then this hair. You can color it like this and this hair. Color it like this, and you're going to do adjustment for this hair, for the position, rotate, and scale. And then you're going to put on this necklace, make it this color, and this necklace, choose to go to, and then you're going to make it this color. And this bracelet from the Valentine update, you're going to make it this gold color. And this ribbon, you're going to choose to go to, and make it red, and make it glitter. And I'm going to put on this corset, this one, and for the color we're going to apply this red color, this one guys. Wait, after this I'm going to show you the color code. Okay, just make them all red. Okay, this is for the color code. For the last selection, just leave it like that, and I'm going to put on this item, leave it like that, and I'm going to move to the dressing room. And from this dressing room, we're going to go to the petal update and put on these heels. And I'm going to make it this red color for the first selection. And for the second selection, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, this is for the color code. And I'm going to go to the currency item and put on this skirt. Okay, for the color guys, you can make it like this. Make it red and then gold, red, gold, and gold. And then you're going to change the texture to glitter. And I'm going to put on this strawberry dress and choose sleeves only. And then I'm going to make it this color, okay. And for the second selection, make it this gold color. Okay, let me show you the color code. And then we're going to make it glitter. Okay, done. And I'm going to put on this sleeves from the Madoka set. And for the color guys, you can make it like this. Okay, you just need to follow the color I have applied, and done. Okay, sorry, I forgot one thing. You can put on this apple, and then for the apple, you're going to make it red, and then you're going to make it silk. Okay, and this is for the final result. Oops, sorry, for the skirt, I forgot to remove the bow. You can choose no bow. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to make Apple White from ever after high and trust and press without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.